Hello, you're welcome to the chemistry lesson where we're going to look at solutions and crystals, particularly on solutions. You can also stream the video on YouTube on the page, so you can go to the page Roma Online Tuitions and subscribe so that whenever there are new videos, you are all updated. So, when we talk of solutions, we are actually talking about a mixture of two or more substances. So now, for example, when you have sugar crystals and you put them in water, after you shake those two, you will find that the sugar crystals will no longer be seen. That means that the sugar has dissolved in water. Hence, it means that the sugar is soluble in water. So what we can highlight on that point is that those substances that dissolve, in this case we are going to put sugar, they are known as solutes. Any substance that will dissolve in a solvent is known as a solute. That should be taken note of. Then where that solute will dissolve, so the liquid that the solute will dissolve in is known as a solvent. I repeat, when we have those sugar crystals and you put them in water, after that you shake them, that solution which will be formed, you find that the sugar will be dissolved in that water. That means that the sugar is soluble in that water. The sugar in this case is acting as a solute, whereas the water is acting as the solvent. What is formed now when you mix the two is what we call a solution, which can be highlighted that a solute, when dissolved in a solvent, forms a solution. Now, you need to take high precision on this one. If the mixture is uniform, it is said to be homogeneous. From the word homo, because homo means the same. It is uniform. For example, a solution of sugar and water is a uniform mixture because it is thoroughly uniform throughout its solution. Salt and water as well. That's an example of a homogeneous solution. So a homogeneous solution is a uniform solution. An aqueous solution needs to be addressed as well. When you have a solvent such as water in a solution, that solution is called an aqueous solution because it contains water as a solvent. So any solution which contains water as a solvent is known as an aqueous solution. Then on the other hand, we have heterogeneous solutions. We were looking at homogeneous solutions where those solutions are uniformly mixed. But in this case, we have heterogeneous solutions which are non-uniform. There is no uniformity in that solution. For example, when you mix chalk and water, those two will not dissolve. In short, chalk will not dissolve in water, meaning that chalk is insoluble in water. What will happen is just a cloudy mixture will be formed with the small particles down in that solution, down in that mixture. That cloudy mixture which will be formed is what we call a suspension. It is not uniformly mixed, hence it is a heterogeneous solution. We have so many examples of solvents. Apart from water, ethanol is a solvent which can be used as an antiseptic on wounds. You find in hospitals they will be applying some solvents on wounds. Most of that contains what we call ethanol as a solvent. Benzene or petrol is another example of a solvent which can be used in the mending of tires. Alright, so we were just looking at solutions. Watch out for the next video, which will highlight crystals. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, Rolma Online Tuitions.